With BLAZE's role feature, you can assign the necessary permissions to each user. This is crucial for enhancing security and improving operational efficiency. A role is a set of access permissions for devices, layouts, and other system resources that you assign to a user. First, go to the Roles menu within Settings. Default roles are the roles provided by BLAZE by default. Global roles are available only when BLAZE is connected to the cloud. These roles grant user permissions to access all federated systems. In addition to the default roles, administrators can create custom roles by setting specific permissions for features, devices, and layouts. Click the Add Role button to create a new custom role. For example, let's create a role named Security Team. This role will be defined to allow for real-time monitoring but restrict video exports. Select a specific area of cameras from the entire building and assign only the layouts related to the showroom. You can now assign this custom role when registering a new user, and you can see which users are assigned to this role at a glance. If you want to delete a custom role, you must first change the roles of all users assigned to it. Only then can the role be deleted.